Madeline McCluskey. Been taking woodshop classes at Neshaminy High School for 3 years. And my senior year, I built this 8-drawer cabinet. And we found a catalog for a 10-drawer cabinet, and I wanted some drawers for the bottom to be able to store more stuff. So we were able to figure out how to make some bigger drawers, and we designed and cut the legs, and we cut the handles. We used maple for all of everything that you see, and then walnut for the accent pieces and the legs and the top and the handles. Of rabbits and our locking pieces. For the inside of the drawers, we did dovetail joints. For the fronts, we resawed, and so we were able to get the second groove, and then we used our CNC machine to cut the handles.
Alright, my name is Morgan Leonhauser. I've been taking woodshop all 4 years of high school. And then this is a Craftsman sideboard, I think it's called. I made it for my grandma, not originally, but I figured after I made it, my mom has no room for it, because I made another cabinet that she has in her house. So it has 3 drawers, they all open. And then the hardest part was like the paneling on the sides and the back, but no one really sees it, which is kind of unfortunate. The back's the best part, but no one's ever gonna see it.
My name is Christian Rant. I'm the wood manufacturing teacher here at Neshaminy High School. I was granted the ability to be in here with these 2 young ladies over the last 3-4 years. They've both been exceptional, and they've gone above and beyond what I've expected out of them. So for their senior year, they got to choose a couple of projects that were more geared to what they wanted to do. And it was just been a fun ride trying to get them to the finish line and make sure that they had what they needed to be able to accomplish it. It's really cool to have a student that stays with me for a while, because then we get to try those things that we don't typically get to in the lower level courses. Like we got to put together all these panels and the multiple mortise and tenon joints, and we did the resawing and the tapered and curved feet, and then we did some CNC handles for her. So it's a lot of skills that we got to bring into the fold that typically we have a more difficult time doing in our basic level classes, right? These guys have mastered those basic skills, so we were able to take it to the next level.
Well, I actually took the class on accident. I meant to take architecture freshman year, and then freshman year I was gonna drop it, but I was like, I'll give it a chance. And then I actually really enjoyed it, and it was something different that kind of gave me a break in my day, and let me kind of be creative, and it was a fun time. I had a great time.
I like making things with my hands. I made my own prom dress this year, and it's just, I like being able to see the things that I am designing.
As an educator, that nothing else makes me prouder, just to see what they're able to accomplish towards the end of the day.